Right, we're going to be upgrading the rims, wheels on a 2008 Yaris, which is coming from 14-inch by 5.5-inch Prius rims with aging Michelin tyres to Rota Velos, which I've picked up and refurbished rattle can style. I've used VHT gloss, not too bad for spraying out of can. We've got Kumho Extra PS71s on these in 205, 45, 17s. Same tyre as what I run on a Mazda 6 with 19s. So these are 16 by 7 inch wide, so they're going to be quite a bit of a difference to the Yaris. There's the brakes, that's what you want to see.